End of this video, you are going to learn how you can easily create envelope in Microsoft Word. If you want to create an envelope in your Word document, simply go to File menu, then go to New, search envelope in your search box. Hit on search bar. Here is custom template. Simply click anyone to open. Then create. Here is your envelope is ready. If you want to change anything or add anything, you can adjust from there. This is the simple way to create envelopes. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new interesting videos.